Bonjour. In this video, we shall discuss les chiffres ou les nombres français, digits, numbers, French numbers. Numbers are a crucial part of learning any language. We use numbers all the time. When you have to tell the time, when you have to read out a date, when you have to buy something, when you have to read out the number of a train or a flight, if you have to read out dates, your account numbers. Numbers are everywhere. So it is very important to learn numbers. There are generally two types of numbers, cardinal and ordinal. The most important ones is the cardinal numbers, which you have to know, because the ordinal numbers are often based on the cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers are numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. And ordinal numbers, self-evident in its name itself, ordinal, describe order, which means first, second, third, fourth, fifth, etc. In this video, we shall first learn the cardinal numbers. French uses the same digits as in English and almost everywhere around the world. However, the pronunciation is different and the names of those digits are also different. In this video, I shall read out all the numbers from 0 to 20. The reason we're covering first 0 to 20 is that many of the numbers used between 0 to 20 are also repeated after 20. So it is very important to remember and memorize the numbers until 20. After this, after 20, because some of the numbers are repeated, it becomes a little easier. So, first of all, we have got les chiffres. Chiffre means digits. So, les chiffres, digits, and les nombres français, French numbers. Les nombres. Here you can see the numbers from 0 to 20. First I'm going to read it out quickly and then I shall read them out slowly. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Again, les nombres. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now I'm going to read out each number separately and slowly. You'll try to listen and then try to repeat them yourselves. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. It is a nasal sound. 1. 2, 2, 2. The EU is pronounced as U, 2. 3, 3. OI is always pronounced as OI, 3. 4, 4, 4. 5, 5, 5. 6, 6, 6. 7, 7. P is silent. 7. 8, 8. H as usual is silent. 8. 9, 9. EU, E, 9. 10, 10. 10, 11, 11. On has a nasal sound. On, 11. 12, 12, 12. 13, 13, 13. 14, 14, 14. 15, 15, 15. 16, 16, 16. 17, 17, 17. 18, 18, 18. It's pronounced like Z. 19, 19, 19. 20, 20, 20. Let's go through it all over again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. If you were counting down, then 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. This is a chart of all the numbers from 1 to 100 and also showing how to make the numbers after 100. 0 is not shown here but it's known now, 0. So you can see after 20, after 20, 21 is 21, 21. The T is combined with the following E of ETA, means and so the pronunciation becomes 21, 20 and 1, 21. 22 is 22, 20 is 20 and 2 is 2, so 22 is 22. The hyphen which is in between 20 and 2 has to be given. Without it, it's a spelling mistake. Similarly, if there is 23, it will be 23, then 24, 25, 26, etc. 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70. 60 is 60 and this is 10, so 60 and 10 makes 70, 70. 71, 60 et 11, 60 and 11, 11 is 11, so 60 and 11 is 71, 60 et 11. 80, 80, 81, 81. 90, quatre-vingt-dix. 91, quatre-vingt-onze. 100, cent. 101, cent un. 200, deux cents. In this case, because it is the plural, so there is an S after C-E-N-T. C-E-N-T-S, deux cents. 201, deux cent un. Just to illustrate that point, you can see here, 32, 30. Now here you can see 30 is 30. So 32 will be 32. Just like here you can see 22 is 22. So 32, 32. Then 33, 34, 35, etc. Similarly 41 is 41, then 42, 43, etc. That's pretty much all about the numbers. As far as the application of numbers is concerned, it's pretty much self-evident. As mentioned at the beginning of the video, we use numbers everywhere. When telling the time, telling the date, going to a shop and buying something, making accounts, giving the size for your clothes or shoes. So numbers are used everywhere. The numbers from 0 to 20 are the most important ones, and these have to be remembered very well. These have to be memorized. Once the numbers from 0 to 20 are memorized, then the remaining numbers become much easier. Because as you have seen, if 2 is the and 20 is 20, then 22 is simply 22. 23 will be 27, 23. 27, 27, etc. Apart from 20, the numbers that need to be remembered are 30, 30, then 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, and 100. If you can remember the numbers, then you'll find communication in French much easier. That's all in this video. Thank you. Merci.